Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jobs in E. Let's see the working interviews and other available vacancies on today. I am accepting 1000 likes for this video. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new updates with notification and kindly press like button to motivate me for regular videos. Let's see the working interview conducting on today. Timing 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. at Unikai Foods, Dubai. Vacancies are van salesman with manual driving license is required and wall paint. Interview location is at Unikai Foods, Al Qus 1, Al Maidan Street, near Dubai Bowling Center, Dubai. Next working interview is on 25th of May, timing 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. at Shobha Constructions, UAE. Age limit is below 40. Vacancies are electrician, plumber, insulator, ductman, pipe fitter, sergeant for plumbing, sergeant for electrical or ELV, sergeant for mechanical. Interview location is at Shobha Construction LLC, Heartland 2, Project Management Office near Rasalkor Industrial Area 1, Pukadra, Nadal Shaba 1 in Dubai. Next walking interview is on 25th of May, timing at 10 a.m. at Oasis Cuisines LLC, UAE. Vacancies are cake and pastry chef, 3 numbers, salesman cum driver, 12 number, bakery production supervisor, 1 number, head baker, 1 number, and male QA officer. Interview location is at Al Qus Mall Management Office, Al Qus. Next vacancy is at Cosmo Center, UAE. The vacancies for digital marketer. Requirements are minimum 4 years e-commerce management and proficiency in web analytic tools. Send your resume by email vaishak.ks@westernint.com. Next vacancy is at Parajon, UAE. The vacancy is for outdoor sales executive. Requirements are minimum 2-year experience in sales, preferably outdoor sales, and driving license also is required. Send your resume by email hrd@parajon.com. Next vacancy is at Star Steaming Mug Restaurant, Abu Dhabi. Vacancies are restaurant manager, juice and sandwich maker, tea and snacks maker, and bike delivery boy with on visa. You can contact on 050-764-0283 by WhatsApp +91 989 55 Next vacancy is at Debug Pest Control Services, UAE. Vacancies are Customer Service Executive, Tendering and Pricing Officer, and Business Development and Commercial Manager. Send your resume by email careers@debug.e. Next vacancy is at West Green International School, UAE. For primary section, Head of Year FS1, Head of Year FS2, Art Teachers, and Teaching Assistants on Families. For secondary section, English teachers, Maths teacher, and Science teacher. Requirements are PGDE or PGCE with a degree, native English speaker. Send your resume by email jobs_WGP@gemseju. Next vacancy is at Lulu Group, UAE. Vacancies are North Indian cook, South Indian cook, Arabic cook, shawarma maker, namkeen maker, seat maker, baker or confectioner, salad maker, sandwich maker, fishmonger, and butcher. Requirements are 3 years experience required for above position and age limit below 35. Only candidates currently in UAE should apply for above positions. Apply before 31st of May. Send your resume by email luluhrdubai@ae.lulumea.com by WhatsApp 050-564-7731. Next vacancy is at Shah's Gift and Promotions, Dubai. The vacancy is for outdoor sales executive. Freshers also can apply. You can send your resume by email info@Shah's Gift. Next vacancy is at Delight International Facilities Management, UAE. Vacancies are HVAC engineer, sales coordinator, business development executive, and electrical engineer. Send your resume by email careers@delightIFM. Next vacancy is at Trust Holding, UAE. The vacancy is for tele sales executive. Minimum 2-year experience in frozen food. Send your resume by email uae@trustholding.com. Next vacancy is at Berkeley Services, UAE LLC. Vacancies are team leader, cradle or VMU cleaners, housekeeping attendant. Minimum 4 to 5-year experience for above positions is required. And for concierge, minimum 1 to 2-year experience is required. Send your resume by email at careers@berkeley UAE.com. Next vacancy is at Spark Maintenance and Oilfield Services, Abu Dhabi. The vacancy is for Senior HSC Engineer. Salary will be 15,000 to 18,000 dirham. Minimum 3 years UAE experience in oil and gas industry. Send your resume by email careers@spark. Next vacancy is at Imdad Group, Dubai. The vacancy is for Senior Civil Supervisor. Minimum 7-year experience is required. Next is MEP Supervisor. 6 to 8 years experience is required. Send your resume by email at recruit@imdad.a. Next vacancy is at Semi Contracting, UAE. The vacancy is for Senior Planning Engineer. Minimum 5-year experience in planning is required. Next is Senior Draftsman. Minimum 10-year experience in same role. Next is in Office Engineer. Must have knowledge in roads and infrastructure projects in UAE. Send your resume by email cv@semi-contracting.a. Next vacancy is at Zaharat Al Contracting, Dubai. The vacancy is for document controller. Salary will be 2,000 to 2,500 dirham. Minimum 1 to 2 year experience in construction industry is required. Send your resume by email at anas.yusuf@zaharatalsafa.com. Next vacancy is at Earth, Abu Dhabi. The vacancy is for graphic designer, social media executive, digital marketing manager, F&B marketing manager, assistant marketing and communications, manager in Arabic, a photographer and videographer. Send your resume by email recruitment at earth. Next vacancies at Brilliant International Private School, UAE. Vacancies are PHOD on male, art teacher as female, SST HOD, KG teacher, primary English teacher, primary maths teacher, secondary maths teacher, French teacher, ICT teacher, Arabic teacher A, Arabic teacher B. Send your resume by email at careers2023@vips.ae. Next vacancy is at Al-Athar Group LLC, UAE. Vacancy is for a HR coordinator. Send your resume by email to cv@jawarahotels.com. Next vacancy is at Pure Home Real Estate, Abu Dhabi. Vacancies are sales manager, leasing manager, real estate agent, telesales real estate, and HR generalist. Send your resume by email to job@purehome-re. Next vacancy is at Al Dream Health Group, UAE. Vacancies are general practitioner and pharmacist. DOH license is required. Send your resume to t.mahmood@aldreamgroup.com. Next vacancy is at Ocean Gas, UAE. The vacancy is for a mechanical engineer. Requirements are LPG gas pipeline installation and 2 years UAE work experience and auto knowledge is required. Send your resumes to info@oceangasme.com. Next vacancy in Ocean Gas is electrician with ITI. Requirements are LPG gas panel technician and gas detector fixing. Salary will be 1,400 dirham. Send your resumes to info@oceangasme.com. Sales executive, 4 numbers is required. Requirements are 5-year experience in machinery or chemical sales is preferred. Salary will be negotiable. Send your resumes to hr@yesrcom. Next vacancy is at Yesr Chemical International Free Zone, Sharjah. The vacancy is for junior chemist. 3-year experience is required and salary will be 4,500 dirham. For senior chemist, 7-year experience is required. Salary will be 7,000 dirham. Sales executive, 4 numbers is required. Requirements are 5-year experience in machinery or chemical sales is preferred. Salary will be negotiable. Send your resumes to hr@yesrcom. Next vacancy in a restaurant in Abu Dhabi. Vacancies are cashier and accountant. Send your resumes to mautas.sy111@yahoo.com. Next vacancy in a contracting company in Abu Dhabi. The vacancies are receptionist, storekeeper, civil project engineer, civil site engineer, civil QAQC engineer, and document controller. Send your resumes to hr@unitech.uae. Next vacancy is in Saadia, Thailand, Abu Dhabi. The vacancy is for house driver. Salary will be 2,000 dirham plus food and accommodation. Age limit is 40. WhatsApp your CV to 056-166-6879. Next vacancy in Abu Dhabi, driver with knowledge of electrical and construction works. Send your resume by email to pfp5000@gmail.com. Thanks for watching my channel, Jobs in UAE. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new updates with notification kindly press like button to motivate me for regular videos. And don't forget to mention the subject title on your each application as well.